G'day viewers, Chris Atkins here and welcome back to my channel, The Car Wash Chronicles. Very exciting day, day 3 of the self-serve car wash renovation. We install all brand new hoses for the pre-soak, the tire cleaner and the foam brush. And also something really exciting, for the first time we get water coming out into the bays. Something you need with a car wash, right? So here we are pulling up to the car wash. Let's go see what's going on. It's time to run the hoses. It's part of the exciting part. So we have, let's see, 6, 12, 18, 20. I think we have about 30 hoses to run. It's a lot. So let me grab it. We've already measured it out. It's got to go all the way inside to join the solenoids. And then we're gonna walk it down this way. So 6 per box. 2 for the foam brush, 2 for the pre-soak, and 2 for the tire cleaner. And now Edwin's gonna grind it, because this hose has to be grinded because it's a wire braided. Let's hope he doesn't cut himself with it. And that's 3 down, 27 to go. This will be bay 1, 2 and 3 going straight down there, and then this one I turned for bay 4 and 5, which will go straight over there. So I'm just shoving this down right now. I'll get it down on the other side. So this is where the hoses come out. Let's check it out. If I'm brave enough, it's this dingy little dark. This is in between the roof and the ceiling. You've got the ceiling and the roof. Not exactly a good height for someone 6'6". But we got the hose. The things we do for car washes. Yeah. So there it is, you can see it running all the way down. So what we're doing here is we're making the base stand for the tanks to go on. So I got this from my other car wash. That's going to be the high pressure water. This is going to be the wax, and that's going to be the soap brush. And this is where the new tank is going to sit. You can see that other big ugly old one. Unnecessary, and now we have this one. Luckily I kept it from the other car washes. So it's going to sit there. That's going to be the high pressure water, high pressure rinse. And then the wax and the soap brush will be here. So just today, I mean, we've had probably, I think I counted 12 people try to pull in and ask if the car wash was working. I mean, we have all this stuff out the front, so, you know, obviously it's closed, but that's a good sign. That's telling me, you know, customers are trying to pull in, they're going to use it, and that there's a customer base there up here where the car wash is. And I mean, I'm sure many others have driven by wanting to pull in, but they see all this stuff, we're working on it, so they just turned away and kept going. But the fact that 12 people stopped in, asked about it, asked if it's open. I said no, it's not open, but you know, probably in about 3 weeks it'll be open, so come back, check it out. It's going to be amazing. So all good signs that this car wash should perform pretty good. Super. Well, I don't know if that was a good idea. Another customer pulling in. That's the 4th one in the last 30 minutes. Sorry guys, we're closed. And I tell you, it sucks to turn away customers. But we just ain't open yet. And that's the best way to get it down, whether it breaks or not, doesn't matter. We saved our backs. Alright, so we're going to test it out. We got
3, 2,
hold on, I was going to explain. Go ahead. Turn it on!
Turn it on, there they go!
So there we go, filling up the tank. And you can see we rerouted this pipe. That's all new over here, and that's the main
All new.
lever over here.
This is all new.
And we turn it on and it's filling up. We've got the float here, and this will be the tank for the high pressure water. This will be the wax and the high pressure soap. So let's turn it on. And there we go. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to choose exactly where I want the pre-soak, the tire cleaner and the air dryers in the bays. So let me switch the camera around. So just looking at it, obviously it's different than my other car washes because there's a gap in between the roof. My other ones are walls straight up to the roof, so it's its own individual bay. Here we clearly have the pre-soak, the high pressure water. That's going to be on the boom and it's going to sit right there. That's the first thing people want to grab. Here we have the foam brush. It's already set up right there. We're going to use it, and that's the boom for the foam brush. So that's on that wall. This wall is completely free. So I'm going to put the tire cleaner here, the pre-soak in the middle, and the air dryers at the end there. So it's 95 degrees and we are working on the roof. It's very hot, so we've got to cover up and stay out of the sun. Obviously I'm white and pasty, I'm going to burn. But I'm sweating like a pig, but it's coming. Let me show you what we're doing. So there we have it. Bar is welded nice and secure. That's the L, that's going to be the tire cleaner. We're going to put this there, and the swivel is going to come up from underneath, and the coil hose is going to go down, and then the hose from this barb will go over here into that box onto those U things we're making up with the check valves. So check it out, here they are, my new coin boxes, 5 of them, 1 in each bay. So we're getting serious now. I just couldn't take the heat anymore. Got my sombrero, all American. Got my brother here. What up, bro?
What's up, man?
All right, you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Then we get the hose clamp, tighten it up so that 100% won't fall off. Probably 99%, nothing's ever 100%. And then do that one. Not crazy tight, just firm. And now we need to cut some hose to go from here to there. Comprende?
Comprende, amigo.
Si. For those of you who don't believe that there's water in Barstow, it's not just a desert town. Something's going on over at Denny's. Someone control that thing. I know you want to go run around and play in it.
Me?
Yeah.
Never.
Bring back childhood memories.
Oh yeah. You know me.
Yep, we had another customer trying to use the car wash, but we are out of business still. So here we have it. Kind of the finished product, all nice, neat and clean. Pre-soak, tire cleaner, soap brush. How's your experience been working on the car wash?
Pretty good. I learned so many things at this point that I never thought that I got going to learn, you know. Pretty good.
There you go.
Love it.
And then we have some supplies, the exciting stuff. Wands for the high pressure guns, pre-soak guns. We got the poles for the foam brush. We got guns for the tire cleaner, holders for the pre-soak, coil hose for the tire cleaner, nut clamps, and that's pretty much that. Start the motor, let's see if water comes out. Wow! There it is, water coming out. Shower, anyone? So we've got the moment of truth coming. We are connecting the hose and the gun, and we're going to test it, see how it's coming out. All right, so here we go. It's about to come on. Let's get this ladder out the way. It's gonna start. Get ready, it's gonna start. There we have water.
Oh, beautiful.
It sounds and looks a little weak to me.
Powerful.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
All right.
No, it's weak.
Huh?
What do you mean it's powerful?
Put your hand in there. What do you mean it's weak?
It's like 900.
So we turned up the pressure with the regulator. It's on about 1300, but it feels realistically around 1100. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's check out Edwin's welding job with the floodlights. These are big football stadium lights, so they're going to be very bright. And we've welded it. And I mean, that ain't going anywhere. We're going to tilt them down, and that's going to cover the whole build changer area. There's going to be a vacuum here, all the way probably around here. And then we have another one over there. It's going to cover this section. So this whole front area is going to be completely lit up with these bad boys. Always one. So I just had to capture this beautiful sunset with the car wash sign in the foreground. Long, hard days. How do you think the progress is coming?
So far, so good. Big progress.
Wow.
Big progress every day.
Yep.
Love it.
Love it. Making it happen. So there you have it. Progress is coming along. Thanks for watching, guys. Just for the heads up, there's over 2 hours of content working on this car wash in my course, plus the step-by-step guide on how to acquire car washes, how to find them, how to scout for them, how to talk to landlords, how to look for a good deal, a bad deal, and once you get the car wash, how to run it to be the best in the area. So check out my course, click in the link in my description, thecarwashchronicles.com, and go grab yourself a copy. It's very inexpensive. And if you're looking for extra income, whether it's a side of a full-time job or you want to make self-serve car washes your full-time thing, just like I do, then be sure to grab the course. It's a great start. It's got all the information in there that you need to get started. So Chris Atkins with the Car Wash Chronicles. Thanks for watching.